like I think she remembers my face as well. For the first half an hour, I was in shock. I was in shock because it felt like something died and then it came back to life again. And I was like, what just happened? क्योंकि हमने पुलिस कंप्लेंट कर दी थी, सब कुछ कर दिया था. This was the chances for this to happen was like minus, 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 minus. Hey everyone, my name is Ishpreet and I am a mindset and manifestation coach. आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं आज आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ मेरी रीसेंट मैनिफेस्टेशन सक्सेस स्टोरी के बारे में. एंड रियली एज यू वुड हैव रेड द टाइटल, एज यू वुड हैव हैड एन आइडिया बाय नाउ कि मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ, किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग मैनिफेस्टेशंस दैट आई हैव हैड टिल डेट. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि जो मैंने लंदन में अपना घर मैनिफेस्ट किया था, दैट इज वन थिंग ऑल टुगेदर, बट ये लाइक रियली मैचेस टू द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ दैट मैनिफेस्टेशन. तो लेट मी जस्ट give you a quick background, a quick brief कि हुआ क्या था, and then how did I handle it, how did I approach it, what was my mindset, and मैंने basically पूरी situation को कैसे handle किया, and हुआ क्या फिर finally. Actually you know क्या हुआ, I got my passport back, but वो सब कैसे हुआ, that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. So let's just get started. So मैंने कुछ महीने पहले एक वीडियो डाला था जिसमें कि मैं अनबॉक्सिंग कर रही थी मेरे सामान की, जो कि बैंगलोर से वापस आया था. तो हुआ क्या था कि जब लॉकडाउन हुआ तब दैट टाइम आई वाज इन बैंगलोर, राइट. एंड उस टाइम पे हुआ ये था दैट इट वाज अ वेरी रश्ड अप डिसीजन टू मूव टू इंदौर सडनली बिकॉज लॉकडाउन वाज लाइक अ डे अवे. एंड आई थॉट एंड आई लेफ्ट बैंगलोर विद द इम्प्रेशन कि मैं तो एक हफ्ते में वापस आने वाली हूँ. तो मैंने अपना कुछ सामान नहीं लिया, कुछ नहीं लिया, आई थिंक जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ क्लोथ्स, एंड देखा भी नहीं क्या था वहाँ पे, क्या नहीं था. आई थॉट एवरीथिंग वाज इन माई कबर्ड एंड आई लेफ्ट लाइक दैट. सब कुछ सामान वहीं था. मैंने जैसे बोला, मैंने ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था मैं वापस आने वाली हूँ. And fast forward to today that it's been almost a year that I've not gone back, and of course I didn't go back eventually. वो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. 6-7 महीने के लिए हम लॉकडाउन में फंस गए थे. And then फिर जब मैं वापस नहीं जा पाई तो फिर मुझे लगा कि वापस सामान कैसे लिया जाए लॉकडाउन के बीच में. तो मैंने जो मेरा स्टाफ था वहाँ पे जहाँ मैं रहती थी, उन लोगों से मैंने वीडियो कॉल पे आई वीडियो कॉल देम एंड गॉट देम टू पैक ऑल माई स्टफ एंड देन सेंड इट टू मी इन इंदौर, राइट. तो उस चीज़ में और उस पैकिंग में जो भी उन लोगों ने पैक किया, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया वीडियो कॉल पे वो क्या कर रहे थे, क्या नहीं कर रहे थे. एंड दे सेंट इट बैक टू मी. इट वॉज ओनली व्हेन आई थिंक 2 weeks ago जब हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, मैं एंड मेरे पेरेंट्स हम बात कर रहे थे कि मैं शायद US जाऊँगी टू स्टे विद माई सिस्टर फॉर अ बिट. उस टाइम पर जब वो बात आई कि चलो टिकट बुक करते हैं, उस दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ओ माय गॉड, वेट, वेयर इज माई पासपोर्ट दो. क्योंकि दैट्स व्हेन क्लिक्ड कि आई हैवंट सीन माई पासपोर्ट सिंस द टाइम दैट आई हैव कम बैक फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. एंड द थिंग वाज दैट आई डिडंट इवन नो वेयर टू लुक. क्योंकि जब से मैं इंदौर आई थी, व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, जब से मैं इंदौर आई थी तब से तो मुझे वो दिखा नहीं, तब से मुझे एक बार भी नहीं दिखा. एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू मूव थिंग्स अराउंड. मेरे घर वालों ने पूरा घर अपसाइड डाउन कर दिया. बैग्स निकाल रहे, सूटकेसेस निकाल रहे, अलमारी खाली कर रहे हैं, कबर्ड्स एम्प्टी करके देख रहे हैं, सामान इधर उधर उधर. कुछ नहीं मिला, कुछ भी नहीं मिला. एंड like literally when my dad was asking me कि you know look for it, in my head I was like कहाँ ढूंढूं, तो मैं ढूंढूं कहाँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैंने उसको नहीं देखा इतने महीने से. I remember panicking about this for 2 days straight. Like I think I went into this zone जहाँ पर I was feeling so stupid for firstly doing this and for feeling so just I was just feeling really bad because I had to go to the US. I mean, I had to book my tickets the other day and everything just was gone in a second. And when we spoke to the visa people, the US visa people, we found out that it's really, really difficult to even get an appointment for the next at least 1 or 2 years. So I was like, I'm gone. Like for the next 2 years, I'm stuck at home, like in India, and I can't go anywhere. So for the first 2 days, like I said, I was really upset and I was stressed out the entire day for those 2 days. उसके बाद 2 दिन के बाद मुझे थोड़ी सी अकल आई, and then I was like, hey, what are you doing? You know, you teach people this, you know how to change a situation around, you know how to turn a situation around, because this is what I say and this is what I do every single time that I want things to go in my favor. And I'm not even kidding. जब भी कोई चीज़ मेरे फेवर में नहीं जा रही होती, I stop myself and I ask myself that, hey, what are you doing? You know that you can turn around anything you want. You know that you can get anything you want. Then why the stress? So what I did was that the first 2 days I let myself feel those emotions. I let myself feel stressed and feel just that पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, क्यों हो रहा है, and all of those things. Then the third day when I got back into my senses, then I was like I said, I was like I can turn anything around if it was for me. Then why not do it? उस टाइम पर फिर मैंने क्या किया, जब मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि it's not in my control now. I know it's not at my home. I've tried calling my friends in Bangalore, the people in Bangalore. I've tried contacting them. I've done everything and it's not working, okay? So what I did was, I remember that day in the morning, I sat down and I did this little prayer, okay, in my mind. So I closed my eyes and it was like I was talking to the universe, okay? And I was talking to some higher power, like I always do. All I did in that moment was have the faith and belief that, you know, there's a reason कि ये क्यों हुआ है. I knew that there is some big purpose behind this. There is something that's happened because of which ऐसा हुआ है. An even interesting thing, actually, before I even tell you about this, is that I came across this Instagram post that spoke right to me. Okay, under my sun sign, which is Pisces, it had something written on the lines of, you know, that you've lost something and it will be restored very soon and stuff like that. Now that just gave me hope. I am the kind of person who finds signs in everything. So जैसे मैंने वो देखा तो I was like, okay, I mean, yeah, it didn't really settle my mind, but then I was like, yeah, it just gives me a little hope. The next day I did this prayer, and what I said in that prayer basically was, like I was saying, कि firstly, I was like, I had the faith and I held on to the faith and the belief कि यार ये जो हुआ है, it's for a reason. कुछ कारण है जो ये हुआ है. Alright, so there is either a lesson that it needs to teach me, or it's just the universe's way of redirecting me to something else. Maybe I'm not meant to go right now because of something. I don't know. कुछ तो है that I don't understand right now, but maybe later I will. And then I surrendered. I surrendered to the situation. I literally said in my mind that, hey, it's not my problem anymore. Whatever is meant to happen, please let that happen for me. If it has to be restored, or if it has to be something else that is meant to be happened in the situation, please let that happen. And I surrendered, okay? And when I surrendered, I felt suddenly so light. I felt like किसी ने पता नहीं बहुत बड़ा बैगेज हटा दिया मेरे ऊपर से, एंड वो स्ट्रेस चला गया. आई जस्ट गॉट इनटू दिस प्लेस ऑफ अ लिटिल काम एंड लिटिल पीस, जो पिछले 2 दिन में नहीं था, 2-4 दिन में नहीं था इनफैक्ट. एंड देन मैं थोड़ा ऐसे रिलैक्सड हो गई, थोड़ी सी अपना काम वाम में लग गई, एंड जस्ट इन अ नॉर्मल रूटीन डे लग गई. द नेक्स्ट डे अगेन आई ओपन माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड देन आई सी दिस पोस्ट जिसमें लिखा था कि अगेन ओनली अंडर माई साइन, नो वन एल्सेस साइन, विच इज Pisces, कि you've now surrendered to something, and matlab it was crazy. It was like, what is this? Are you talking to me? And I knew that, you know, something was talking to me. That gave me even more strength and even more hope. वो सब हुआ. And then again I got back to my business. Then I remember having a call from my friend Hiral. She called me. If she's watching this, I know that she attacked me if I said that I pick every single call of hers, because yeah, my friends know that I'm really bad at it, which I'm not very proud of. But वो ऐसा हो जाता है कि मैं सबके कॉल, मतलब लोगों के कॉल नहीं उठा पाती हूँ because of something or the other, or I'm just not a person who loves to talk on the phone all the time. So then I remember कि उसका फ़ोन आया था, and at that day somehow firstly उसका फ़ोन अचानक से आया. Then I remember telling her कि क्या हुआ है, पासपोर्ट का कैसे गुम गया, ये है वो है. And then she is like, you know what, send me the number of that girl who now lives there and maybe I'll talk to her. And then I was like, okay fine. फिर वो 1-2 दिन निकल गए. Fast forward to a couple of days ago, जब we finally gave up and we filed a police complaint for my passport, and we gave up, मतलब वो नहीं मिलना था, okay. And then when we realized कि वीज़ा को अब 2 साल नहीं लगेंगे, my dad was like, you know what, I think you should now go to Bangalore once at least. Just go to Bangalore and check if at all. That's like, the chances are very bleak, yes, but maybe, you never know. उसी दिन फिर मेरी जब मेरी दोस्त से बात हुई, and she's like, you know what, don't come to Bangalore right away, let me go and check for you. She insisted, and then she went to my house, सब कुछ हम चेक कर रहे हैं, इधर उधर सब जगह चेक कर रहे हैं, नहीं मिला. एंड देन देयर वाज दिस प्लेटफॉर्म मेरे घर पे जहाँ पर बहुत सारा ऐसा सामान ऐसा क्राउडेड सा पड़ा हुआ था. एंड वहाँ पर हमने चेक नहीं किया बिकॉज दैट वाज द मोस्ट ऑब्वियस कि वहाँ नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि मतलब उस सामान में अगर होता तो अभी तक मेरी रूममेट ने किसी ने बता दिया होता, who was in touch with me and I was asking them for that. But then we were like, okay fine, just like अपना हाथ एक बारी घुमा के देखना कि वहाँ पे है कि नहीं है. And she moved her hand around there. And पता नहीं कैसे वहाँ पे सामने रखा हुआ था, like in between that stuff. And then suddenly she comes in front of that call and she's like, hey, I found it. Now, for the first half an hour, like I remember, like I think she remembers my face as well. For the first half an hour, I was in shock. I was in shock because it felt like something died and then it came back to life again. And I was like, what just happened? क्योंकि हमने पुलिस कंप्लेंट कर दी थी, सब कुछ कर दिया था. This was the chances for this to happen was like minus. Another interesting thing is that जब मैं इतने स्ट्रेस में थी, जब मैंने सरेंडर कर दिया था, when I did that prayer and everything, उस टाइम पर मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला था और उस पोस्ट की मैंने कैप्शन में लिखा था that you know I'm trying to manifest something right now. And some people would say that it's impossible for me to manifest that, but I choose to hold on to the faith that I'm going to get whatever I want, and I'm going to come back to this post in a couple of days and then I'm going to let you know on that. And of course, I was talking about my passport. When I made this Instagram post, it sort of reaffirmed my faith. When you put it out there in front of the world to see and hear, you sort of reaffirm your faith, which I did. I think right after some 4 to 5 days, this entire scene happened where she went to my home and she looked for it and then she found it. And I got my lost passport back, and I mean it still feels unreal. This was the bag that I had lost, like the entire bag जो missing था. And इसमें मेरे डैड की पिक्चर थी एंड मेरी पिक्चर थी. वहाँ पे एक बैंक का कार्ड था. अलॉन्ग विद दैट मेरे कुछ अदर कार्ड्स ऑल्सो वर देयर एंड देन देयर वाज दिस पासपोर्ट. सो दिस एंटायर बैग वाज मिसिंग, व्हिच eventually I got back. Another thing that I did before I actually surrendered was the creative process of manifestation. So what I did was, firstly, I put my intention out there. I was clear when I said that, hey, I want my passport back. I went for creative visualization. I literally sat for those 2-3 days and I just visualized being excited about the fact कि मेरा पासपोर्ट मिल गया है, and telling my friends about it, telling my family about it, my parents about it. And then when I had done this, when I had felt the emotion, then I sort of let it go. I let it go. So if you're trying to manifest something back that's lost, okay, this is what you want to do. Firstly, you want to feel all the emotions of stress, of anxiety, जो कुछ भी आ रहा है मन में. First feel those, because until you feel it, you cannot reach a point of calm. You cannot reach a point where you are able to think clearly. So like I did for the first 2 days, stress, anxiety, ठीक है. Feel all those things. Now, when you're sane, when you know that things are not in your control, when you know that you can't really do anything about it right now, instead of जितना आप effort डाल सकते थे आप डाल चुके हो, have that faith कि it is going to come back to you. Have that faith that you can turn around anything that you want. Have the faith that there is nothing that is impossible for the universe. Okay? Have that faith and then visualize it to the T, every single detail. Feel yourself being excited about it. If it's a jewelry item from the top of my mind, imagine yourself wearing it. Imagine yourself actually using it, whatever you've lost it. And इतना ज़्यादा कि you actually feel like it's come back to you. Okay, इतना ज़्यादा faith से. Once you've done that, then you want to do this little prayer that I did of surrendering. Okay, because once I did that, once I put my intention out there, उसके बाद all I could do was to have the faith and believe that now it's not my problem anymore. And then have the faith that even if, let's say, sometimes you might not get it, but here you will learn a very important lesson. I mean, it's just gonna pan out to be exactly how it was supposed to be. Because in my case as well, I learned a very big lesson, right? Because see, there were some people who could not care less about me panicking about it or the fact that I lost my passport. Okay, they could not care less. And then there was Hiral, who actually went over and above her way to sort of help me. She traveled 1 hour front and back from her work to my place, and like really making the effort to do that, to do something. I'm going to be forever grateful to her, like literally forever grateful to her. Just sort of help me see clearly as to who my people are and who aren't, right? जो भी होगा, you will learn something or you will get something out of it. You will never lose something. So that is all about it. I hope this story gave you a little bit of hope, a little bit of faith and belief that there is nothing that's impossible. If you have any questions with regards to this or how you should go about it, even now, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Check out my 21 days Raise Your Vibration challenge. The link is in the description below. If you wish to book a one-on-one session with me, again the link is in the description below. Join our free Facebook group. Again, the link is in the description. It's a beautiful place, a beautiful community of people who are like-minded, who love manifesting, who love talking about it. If you're seeking help, advice, or just want to surround yourself with people who think alike and who are interested in actually being conscious creators of your own realities, their own realities, click on the link below and join our Facebook group. And that's all for now. I'm going to see you in my next one.